I aced it, duh. Don't you know who I am? I'm CFH. You know I know everything. That marching practice, that was whack. There is nothing more to learn. Why don't people get it? Ugh.
I don't know, man. I think it's kind of fun.
Hey, man, I'm bored. Wanna watch some TV?
Well, there's not much on at this time of day. I mean, I know. I pretty much live up here.
Wait, go back. Was that the real world? This season, yeah, that's season real world ROTC.
Oh, come on. How interesting can that be? They just follow people around all day making fun of them? Where I come from, we just surf all the time. There's no reason to watch dumb TV shows.
No, man, this season's great. I've been watching it. These cadets are hilarious. There's so much unnecessary drama. See? I love drama. I'm CFH.
Yo, what's up, Alfred? Oh, hey, I'm gonna be a pilot. Yeah, that's what I said. I'll get back to you on that.
Hello, I'm Evan Bergstrom. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Minnesota, don't you know? And I really like big, shiny, pointy-nosed things and telling people about how awesome it was when I was a CTA. I'm really excited about being here on Real World ROTC. I just want to make some new friends, fly, fight, and win. Air.
Hello, I'm Major Marsteller. Yeah, I'm kind of old and kind of losing my hair. I don't know if you know, but I'm kind of big stuff around here, so just thought to let you know that I've got 1 year and 1 month and 3 weeks and 4 days until I retire, but don't worry about it. You know, when I was in ROTC, we did things a lot different. We just marched around in fatigues, and those were the days. Anyway.
Hey, what's up? I'm Stephanie Koenig. I'm from St. Louis. I just got back from NatCon, and it was a really great time. Tried to find a new Air Force fling, you know, and it got a lot better since last year, since I could actually drink. Yeah, 21! So I really like my job this year as a FTB commander. I mean, it's a really great experiment. The only bad thing is Carrera keeps telling me how to run my FTPers. I mean, hello, it's my job. I'm in charge here, so normally I just throw a tantrum and I usually get my way.
Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm from Wichita. Something that you should know about me is I just took over for Stephanie Lemley because a Marine asked me out. Woo! And another thing, I hope today, this weekend is a good weekend because last weekend I was up at the MSB and I locked my keys in my car. Did I mention that it was still running when I did that? And if people don't stop saying I look like Colonel Eicher, I'm gonna flip.
Dr. Pepper? I didn't know what you I was here making breakfast. I didn't know what you want, so I just made everything. What do you want? What do you want? Huh? Everything? I got it! There we go. Come on, I got, like,
I'm not really much of a breakfast person.
What? Yeah, me neither. I hate breakfast. Hey, hey, what are you doing tonight? You want to go hawk? I mean, it's dull at night. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. It's dull at night.
The hawk is just, it's dirty and there's nothing but underage sorority girls.
Yeah. Come on, it's going to be crazy.
All right, let's go.
Yes.
At the hawk.
Burger, let's go to the bar. What do you want to drink, huh? What do you want? I'm going to drink whatever you're having, so.
Bud Light.
All right. Bartender, 2 Bud Lights. Come on, hurry up. What's
in like 3 seconds. You know who this is? This is Evan Bergstrom. He's my hero. But yeah, there you go. Awesome.
Alright. I'm gonna regret this, and I already do. All wingmen for you tonight.
Yes! Best buds! Wingman!
Yeah. What about that one?
Sure, I like it.
What about her over by in the corner there?
You know, my standards are high, but I don't think I can make it.
Okay. Oh, look at that group of blondes over there.
You like them? You like them? I mean, if you like them, I like them.
They look.
So you date them? You date them? I mean,
Well, maybe not date, but.
well, yeah, me neither.
Oh my God, Jamie, look at that guy over there. He's so hot.
Stephanie, he's like 30 years old, bro.
I'm looking for some sugar daddy anyways. See ya!
That's fine. I'm gonna go talk to the Marines. Hey, Todd.
This is more interesting than I thought.
Oh, this is awesome! This is awesome! Let's drive! Let's drive home! Let's drive home! I can drive! I can see straight.
Hey, hello guys.
Just
Taking
taking
Mount
man.
Lexi for a walk, you know.
Awesome. Yes!
How are you tonight? You're out late with the dogs?
Pretty good, doing pretty good. What are you guys up to?
We're driving home!
No, man, we're walking just.
So funny, is I calculate risk, okay? So I don't want to hear any of that BS, because I'm from Texas, and I smell it from a mile away.
We're walking.
We're walking.
All right,
None of us are
Smell
driving.
the gas.
Oh, man.
Very good.
Okay, good evening.
All right, Josh and Nancy, gotta get going.
This is more interesting than I thought, but I mean, that Evan Bergstrom's really into Britain.
Are you kidding? He hates Hufford. It's Hufford that has a man crush on Bergstrom. Last season, he was all into this Jared Anderson person. I don't know what's going on there, but oh well. The rule is, don't ask, don't tell, right?
Whatever. I don't understand where they find these people. I mean, that one girl was into some guy who's 30. Wow.
Yeah, I know, but whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch out, the confessionals are on for the next morning. Let's listen in.
Sorry.
Right, Mr. Pope is really bugging me. I don't understand why he just doesn't get it. I gotta work on my b-ball game with Captain Edmonds. I'm telling him, unless it's 50 degrees or warmer, we're inside. I don't know what the deal is. And what is it with these like Saturday weed labs? I drive 50 minutes to and from work, uphill both ways, and I can't deal with this. And what's up with these cadets coming to me about the uniform room? Oh, Major Barstow, my uniform is this, my uniform is that. Look, your uniform is BDUs, and that's all I'm wearing until I retire, right?
Oh, God, I didn't. No, I couldn't have. Not. No.
Bestie! Hey, confessional time. Hey, serious? Jared was my hero.
How's it
And
going?
now, Fergie is just, he's the greatest. I want to be him. I want to mirror his image. He's everything I want to be. I'm doing everything you do from now on. Everything. Everything. Everything.
Okay. I'm in the middle of a
I know, it's awesome. We're doing this together too.
Oh.
Yes.
Did you see, it's kind of a private. I got
Excuse me too. I just wanted to let you